All right, we're at a older day and night system from, looks like it says 92, 28th week of 92. I was here the other day and diagnosed a faulty gas valve. We were getting 24 volts to the gas valve. The gas valve just didn't want to open up. I had to bang it a little bit. You can see all these marks on here. Homeowner's been banging on it for the last day and a half until I can get the valve, but I was able to bang on it and then it opened up and was able to get them heat until I get the part. So we're back today to replace that gas valve. All right, stay tuned. All right, so we are going to do the gas valve, the shut off, a new flex line, and we're going to add a drip leg to this. This over so you guys can see everything I'm doing. Alright, get that flex line out. I might, you know what, whoever put this system in, they put Teflon tape. I'm not a really big fan of just Teflon tape on gas lines. You know, you should, if you're going to use Teflon tape, you also use some, you know, some pipe dope as well. So we're going to just get rid of all this piping here. Yeah, you see, like, it's just Teflon tape. So I'm just gonna put some new pieces of galvanized in here. Okay, let's see if we can get this off without needing to use any pipe wrenches. So I'm gonna choke down it on here, put some force downward. There it goes. Look at the size comparison to the old valve to the new valve. Okay. Let's move that out of the way. Let's get some pipe dope on here. Gotta make sure you follow the arrows here for the gas flow. The gas coming in this way, going through the manifold and into the burners. All right. I don't have a long enough galvanized pipe to enter out the cabinet, so I'm just going to put a couple of these pieces with a coupling. It's going to look good once we're done. Just got done. Got the new gas valve in. Got some pipe dope on all our fittings. I had to use two couplings on this line coming out here. We got a drip leg installed with a new flex line and a new Watts 1/2 inch shut-off valve. Yeah, this is a good job. This should work a lot better. Shouldn't have any problems igniting. Shouldn't have to hit that valve anymore. So they should have peace of mind that this thing works good. I checked everything for leaks already. We're good to go. Fired up on the first time.